Hell yeah, brother. You're on the Cleetus McFarland YouTube channel.
All right, guys, JH is delivering the giveaway truck back, our brand new Duramax that comes with a ZR1 with the KG1 forged wheels we got from Custom Offsets on it.
Anything better than stock, you know? Custom offsets on there.
Well,
man.
and also he leveled it. Well, Easton's here. What did he do?
It's leveled 2.5 inches or whatever in the front, inch in the back. Oh, it's got wheels and tires on it.
Oh,
Whoa, look at that thing.
dang, dude, it looks sick. Oh my gosh, it's a brand new truck. Brand new truck, jacked up. Dude, it looks sick.
It came out so good. Oh, you put upper control arms on it? It's got some magneto arms on the front.
Oh, wow.
Shock in the rear, shock extensions on the front. So like it should ride good, it should tow good, it should be really set up. Nothing rubs. I didn't have to put bumper spacers or anything on it. So we trimmed a little plastic here, you know, just for safety. But
Just so it doesn't make any noise.
No noises.
Yeah.
Let me check.
I love that. Little full lock check.
Rub check.
Oh, you're clear as can be, dude. Yeah. Wow, that thing has a lot of angle, actually. Yeah, it's dialed, dude. Way dialed.
You didn't bring it into some backyard mechanic. I'm a front yard mechanic.
And you got it aligned?
And it's aligned. Yeah.
Dang, brother, locked in. 8,000 pound, 6-inch
Dang.
drop hitch.
A sick Mac Daddy trailer hitch to go with your brand new spanking truck.
Look at that.
Needs to be assembled.
All right, we'll assemble that. We got some 2-inch anti-theft trailer hitch lockouts.
Oh, nice.
All right, we got a big strap if you get stuck.
Straps for your Corvette.
Self-tensioning, ratchet tie-down set for your Corvette. All from Rhino USA.
That's right.
This all goes with the truck. So the truck looks sweet, but if you're looking for something to get you in on the giveaway, now's your time for some new merch. We got new polos. And check this out. Cleetus branded inside. And they've got little steering wheels, little axles, turbos, spark plugs, wrenches. And these are stretchy. So if you're looking for that going out shirt and the flannel wasn't your style, now we got polos. And the blue is sick with the black too. These are awesome. The merch team worked really hard on these.
A little more pronounced.
Yeah, and
Pistons.
I think they came out so
Dude.
cool. And feel how it's like a dry fit.
Yeah.
It's more of a comfort.
So if you want people to know you probably got a cool car outside.
You wear a Cleetus
Wear one
polo.
of those,
Okay. And then we got McFarland. Hold on. The hat, dude. Everyone's been blowing me up about the hat I've been wearing for the last 2 or 3 months. It's been a R&D situation, okay? Because there's a new hat in existence that I did not know about. It's called a 632, okay? Make sure if you want this hat, you go on the website and you pick the 632, okay? We have it available in McFarland Racing and the FF1 that I've been wearing every day. This is a snapback, okay, that is also stretchy.
Yeah.
And it has this dry fit back on it. They are literally insane. I'm going to lose money by having these on the website because the black FF one that I have, now I just got this new one today. The black FF one that I've had it for 3 months. And it does not get sweat marks. It has not worn out. It is by far the most durable hat I have ever owned. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to phase in this hat into a lot of our current designs, and that's coming, but it takes time. You know, we got to do the R&D around here and make sure we're selling you guys quality stuff. So on top of that, we got a new McFarland Racing Be Fast or Be Last shirt, and that's available in a long sleeve as well. Okay, we got all kinds of good stuff. Are you kidding me? And then we've got 3 other McFarland Racing hats. Now these ones right here are not the performance stretchy snapbacks that I'm wearing. Okay, so this is regular. If you're just a regular snapback guy, these are for you. But if you guys are looking for that hat that I've been wearing for a few months, the 632 is the one you're going to want. So check that out on CleetusMcFarland.com. Get entries for the truck. The ZR1's coming along great back there. But now let's get to the actual video, which today we're going to be testing the Dale truck. All right, so come on up front. We got it out in the barn. Sam cleaned it up. Zach, I know you did oil change.
Oh yeah, we did
Spark
everything.
plugs.
Took the fuel out of it, cleaned the fuel filters, new injectors.
in it.
So you gave her a tune-up.
I mean, we haven't tested or anything since the last race, so we had to go with everything we could to be right on our first pass.
Here's the deal, guys, with the all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive shootout, which is tomorrow, right? Everyone got up in arms that we were testing.
Last time, yeah.
So didn't really know what to do about that, right? I'm like, where am I supposed to test besides our track that we own? So we instated a $500 per pass testing, and it went really well last time. We used all that money and put it towards the pot of the race. We had the testing the day before. We ended up having like a $43,000 race. So that same testing is today. Even I will be paying $500 per pass today, on top of the millions I already spent on that track. But here we are. You know, we're just trying to make it fair for everybody. So all the all-wheel drive guys get here today. All the rear-wheel drive guys. The Dale truck, like Zach said, has not been out since the last race about 6 months ago. We got our work cut out for us.
Yeah.
That's how we roll.
Yeah. It had no
It looks
issues
good.
when we were done. We just weren't totally prepared. The Midnight Performance guys have figured out a few things about all-wheel drive in the meantime, so they're going to help us out today. But we're going to start off by doing a two-step check. Make sure everything looks good, and then we'll head to the track.
Gotta make sure it's still bangs and pops, you know.
Yeah.
If you ain't banging, you ain't popping, you ain't going fast.
No. Golly. That didn't take long at all.
All right, guys, we're here at the track. Looking at the last time we were out was October 1st, and we ran a 5:32. That's our fastest ever, I believe.
5:32.
5:32.
That ain't gonna cut it, bud.
No, dude. What
At least I
a
don't
weak
think.
pass.
Yeah.
5:32 at 146.3 miles an hour.
I mean, it's fast.
It's fast. That
Fast
was a
as it.
143 60 foot. 330 was a 362. But today, folks, we plan to go faster.
All right, getting the tires ready and this. What are you doing, bud?
I come to get some pointers.
Yeah.
Well, you need a front axle system.
Oh!
You
Yeah,
know, you just had the
not
front of your car
racing today.
cut off.
I know, dude.
Not racing tomorrow either. But I'm here to support Team Rear Wheel Drive. We're gonna do what we do best and kick butt, take names.
You're gonna do what captains do, huh?
Yep, I'm here with my pom-poms and my tuning fingers, and I don't know.
Well, we can bolt a set of slicks on Ruby.
Yeah, Garrett offered Ruby up, but
Corvettes aren't your thing.
I don't know.
He says Mustangs only.
Joey, most importantly, you need to tell your guys over there in the rear-wheel drive department to be on the light.
Right.
Leave a lot on the table.
We brought a lot to the table last time. We had really fast cars on paper, but even including myself, sucked on the light. So hopefully in our pep talk tomorrow morning, I'm gonna get them fired up and just get them on that light.
There you go. What do you think's gonna win? Who do you think's gonna win?
All-wheel drive.
Golly. Now that's a burnout right there. That's a burnout.
That's not a burnout, that's a pass.
No.
That's a whole pass.
Oh my gosh.
All right, guys, that was a 535. It spun a lot on the hit. 146, 60 foot. So we lost a good bit there, but we got the mile an hour and everything was solid. So just gotta look at the data now and go from there. With the track, it's virgin, you know. Had a hit on it, we went that fast. What are you guys doing?
Oh, we're just winging it.
Getting a couple test hits in? Oh. We gotta talk to this driver here. How are you feeling, brother?
We're trying some new stuff.
Dude, what is this?
We're trying new stuff.
I see that. Friggin' a wing on the front. I heard it did 7 wheelies in one pass the other day.
7 wheelies in 4.9 seconds, not bad.
Oh, in 4.9. That's pretty fast. All right, you got your bottles of boost in the back there? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Ryan Mitchell out here ready to make it happen. Good luck. So this will be the 3rd run. That'll be up to $1,500 of extra money going towards the pot tomorrow, making it $21,500. Where will we end up?
Oh man,
we made it to
50 would be sick.
We were at 43,000 last time, so we're on the right start here.
I can tell you one thing: there's some guys that didn't test enough. They should have went out a couple more times.
That's what I'm saying. I think there might be more testing
I
this
think
week.
there's some people that are kicking themselves after last
Yeah,
time.
but they all got a lot of runs, so they got some data.
Just a little short one. Little short one.
Screwing up our timing routine.
Don't shut her down early on us.
Yeah.
What? Is it worth the 500?
For him, I guess so.
Looks pretty fast short. Did you see that wing drop? The wing was moving.
The wing, yeah, it dropped. Oh, here comes our next contender. Rear-wheel drive Corvette. I remember that thing.
All right, here we go.
Goodness.
That was quite a clean run for his first one out here.
Corvette, dude.
Dang.
Out here doing Corvette stuff.
This is gonna be so sick, dude.
Here goes the S10. Wow, looking good. Wow, he's looking good. Golly.
I did not like that.
He ran her out. He ran her out. All right, little head-to-head action here, boys. Sterling Diesel. Woo, buddy. All right, Dale truck. Nice. Looked like a good lick for the Dale truck.
All right, guys. Looks like, oh, all right, it picked up a little bit. So now we're 100th off our best run ever, 533. We didn't add any power. So we went a 535, 146. Now we went a 533 at 146. 142 60 foot. So we got a lot back in the 60 foot. We just got to get it through that thing that it's doing. It's really going to pick up a lot.
Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh. He's here to win.
That's
He's here
by
to win.
far the fastest pass. By far.
He was definitely fastest.
Dude, that was like
Bro.
twice as fast as anything else.
Last year he got beat in the finals, I think, and he was pissed. Now he's here with a
That
vengeance.
thing's stupid
man, looks like we got some newcomers here. We got a Cummins out here. Dang. Okay. Holy smokes, I like what I see. I like what I see there.
Thank you.
That looks pretty good. Cummins?
Yep.
Nice, good. All right, I like what I see here. I like what I see here, gentlemen. Whoa, what the heck is this? Randy, what the heck?
Put it on for April Fools, and he said he'd just keep it.
This isn't April Fool's, is it?
That's just something right there, bud.
Dude, the technology going on out here is wild. So, Top Dollar Randy, did it work? Did you test it?
We had to do something. I was riding 2 or 3 foot wheelies across the finish line.
Yeah, you just got so much power, man. Same motor combo and all that?
Little 302.
Little 302, okay.
One small block?
No, we tested it. It showed on the shot data. It made a best leg.
Okay, that's awesome.
So I said, let's try it.
Who knew?
I've had it for a month. And
Who knew downforce was going to be such a big deal on these
I'm
things?
telling you, it's like you give a little bit, put some on the back, you take some away from the front, but
Yeah.
if we can get it keep the front planted, it helps the rear stay planted. And,
You might need to go NASCAR racing with all this downforce you got going on.
well, I was talking to Dell Jr. last week. He said if you don't work out,
He'd call you up.
yeah.
Remember to turn left at the end of the track.
There you
go. And this looks taller than normal back here.
Well, look at back here. It's keeping something.
What do we got? Whoa, cut the bed out. First I'm seeing that.
Frame rail.
Frame rail's cut,
Lob.
4-linked.
Yeah.
That was not like this last time we saw it.
No, it was not.
So we got at least 6 4-linked trucks here.
Yeah.
Dang. Old Gator?
It is.
You driving this, Jackson? Are you making test hits today or just watching? Okay. So you're about to get in.
Yeah.
All right.
It's my turn up there.
Old Gator out here. We got Velocity in the house. How you guys doing? Coming off a big W. Looks
It's
good,
a
man.
bigger.
Any
Hold up.
changes or what?
Fresh motor, a little bit more boost.
Okay.
Oh, frick! Ow! Oh boy. Hold it together, bud. Oh my gosh. Kept it off the walls at least.
Holy
These
smokes,
whole bottom
dude.
of that car just came out.
Oh my gosh. Something hit me in the dang
I know,
head.
that's why I ducked away because I saw the parts scattering and I was like, I'm not getting hit.
We got, oh my gosh, this is a piston ring.
That's a piston ring.
Holy
That's the whole
crap,
engine
dude.
came
That's a
out.
block.
That's a part of, there's a piece of bearing right here.
You good?
I'm sorry.
Ah, don't be sorry, bud. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Blew the whole block clean in half.
I've never seen one split like that. It even blowed the intake off of it.
Yeah.
Gap intake right here. I wonder if
Timing cover exploded off. Yeah, it's
on the ground.
It's on the ground. Bud, we just had a situation.
All down from that Nova.
Bro, it just blew the crank out of the bottom of it.
Oh, we did.
There's piston rings from the 330 to where his car is now. All right, the Freedom Factory boys are out here getting it scrubbed down, cleaning up the track. We'll be back ripping in no time.
All right, guys. Well, they're cleaning up the track. Look at all these cars waiting to test. Woo. We got Manny helping out on the traction control because he's been going real fast with his all-wheel drive stuff.
Check this out right here.
Whoa.
It's gonna do some crazy
I don't
stuff.
know if that. So we're just moving some things around on the traction control for the Dale truck. You know, it's just going to take some time, guys, but we're going to get this thing in the 20s, hopefully right here.
Green go.
There was no drama on that run.
No.
That thing was just planted.
Fast.
Double
Dude,
wing.
the double wing
Double
situation.
wing, dude.
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh.
What are you doing, dog?
I'm trying to imagine myself riding to victory.
Oh. Well, you look good.
Oh, thank you.
Guys, look at all these cars here to test. Oh my gosh, $500 a pop going into the pot.
I'm on my second one.
I know, same. I'm on my third. Yeehaw. Is the dually back? Are you running dualies? Oh, I hope. Oh yeah. Dually life, brother. Nice. Any new data?
I mean,
Maybe.
maybe.
Maybe a little something. You got any other tricks up your sleeve? Maybe.
You never know.
You gonna make a test hit?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, nice. All right, I'm glad at least one dually came.
Got a little head-to-head race going on here. Little coyote get down. Oh man. Really dynamite. Golly, dude. Might be time for parachutes out here.
Willie Dynamite was rolling. That's the rear-wheel
Rolling.
drive car that made it to the finals last time. Damn.
Fast.
That boy was not playing.
Oh my god. Holy freaking crap, dude. What a lunatic.
Right time.
Yeah.
That was
Yeah.
smart.
Goodness gracious. Oh, he's looking fast. Alright. We got us a little grudge race going. A little fun practice grudge race here. Okay.
Any faster?
No, it slowed down.
Yeah, it won't even like do a burnout anymore.
Well, we pulled a ton of power out of the lead to try and get it to not do that.
Oh, gotcha.
And maybe we robbed too much, but it felt really fast.
Yeah.
So I don't know what the deal is there. But our best mile an hour ever is not our best
ET.
So although we were slower, look, we don't have any where it's pulling timing in and out.
Yeah.
So what happened was we just pulled too much. Totally fine
Now
with that.
we feed it back.
So now we can just start giving it back a little bit at a time. We still ran almost our same time, but without all the drama.
Oh, two-wheel drive Woo! I did not, but that's the truck that used to be nitrous and it looks a lot faster.
Brother, that thing was cooking.
Looks a lot
The
faster
hood-
than it used to.
You
Hood's
gotta
about
go
to
back
come
to
out.
slow-mo on that. The hood's bowed up like a foot.
Oh wait, didn't the Dale truck do the same thing early on?
It did, and we had to fix that
Yeah.
problem quick.
No
Yeah.
way. Dang.
That thing thing
was
is
struggling.
hiked up when it's going down the track.
Yeah, it was dancing all over the traction control. Crazy Horse is back. Yeah, he's a contender. Big curves keep sticking out. Truck rolling out. Dale truck is rolling out today.
It was good. It was a 531
Hell yeah.
at 147. Wait, the 60 foot slowed down again 146, but we went at 531. The middle of the track is better. Now I need to go back and find the faster 60 foot, put that on there. Try and.
With it not being on the traction so early, now you can just start feeding it the power till the drive shaft breaks.
Yeah, I don't think we should make another hit at this point.
I mean,
we just gotta go in there, gun it.
Think about it. So that was round one. That would have been a win.
Yeah.
That was round two. That would have been another win.
Yep. Yeah.
You know.
It was chasing that guy down.
Yeah.
Like he had me for a while, and then all of a sudden, Dale truck locked up.
We got a dually. First dually. 4 stickers on it. Oh man. Oh, he's rolling. Rolling. Oh my gosh, that thing was flying. Parts?
Big parts. Big parts.
Oh boy. That's a Cummins rod. It's probably hot.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it off the track.
That's number 6 actually.
Gotta lick your fingers first.
carnage.
Not the trick. You go like that.
Just kick her on down to here. Got a pile of stuff. Look at this, perfectly good camp sensor we can use. Didn't even get touched.
Oh, wow.
All right, guys. Well, unfortunately, we just ended with 2 blown engines oiling down the track. So we are done for the day early. We had over 40 cars test. Now, I don't know if we made it to 50. We were on our way. We had plenty of cars still alive. But we're refunding those guys right now. They're $500 per pass. So going into tomorrow morning, some people will not have made a test pass just because of this situation. But I think most everyone did get one. It's going to be an intense day tomorrow. The Dale truck's as ready as it can be. Did not make as big of gains as we wanted, but hey, just got to go out there, make it happen. We really got to put in some time on that thing next time. But For now, thanks for watching. Remember to be like Biff, do it for Dale. We'll freaking see you later.